Want to fulfill eBay orders without touching any inventory? Here's how to use Amazon FBA as your warehouse for free. So pretty much what's going on is you just have Amazon inventory, you have eBay inventory, and then what happens is once you generate a sale on eBay, Amazon will ship the item. Amazon will log into your eBay account and put the tracking number in. So it's as automated as it gets. This is not drop shipping because it's all stored at Amazon, so it's allowed. And you can see here's the tool that does it. It looks complicated. I promise it's not complicated once you learn it. And the best part is this tool is free. A lot of people charge for this kind of stuff, but it's completely free, this tool. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you have inventory into Amazon FBA. So you can see we have 35 in stock. Next, you need to create that eBay listing. Right? So we got the eBay listing. It's the same exact product. Copy that SKU. So the SKU is BioTrust 500. You're going to go to Amazon. Make sure the SKU is also BioTrust 500, right? Boom, SKU is the same. That's all that matters. SKU is the same. You've got inventory in Amazon. You've got the listing set up. Boom, you're just done step number one. Step number two is to connect the accounts. So what you're going to do is to go to Google, type in map my channel. You're going to do that. Then it's going to look like this. You're going to click login and you're going to sign up for free. There's a little sign up button right there. You kind of saw it for a second. Here, I'm going to do it one more time. Boom. And then sign up. There it is. So you're going to sign up for free. Right when you click that sign up, you're going to click eBay. You're going to connect your eBay account. On number two, you're going to connect your Amazon account. And then you're just going to go through the app settings and then get your free trial. Now, once you're in your free trial, you can go to plans. And then you can have a free trial that lasts forever, potentially. You're going to go to plans. You're going to scroll down. It says your current status free. And then this isn't a trial anymore. You have it completely for free, right? And you get 35 orders a month. So as long as you're getting under, pretty much this tool will work as long as you're getting under 35 orders a month on eBay. If you're getting more than 35 orders a month on eBay, then you can upgrade. But the best part is it starts out for free and there isn't a trial. Like it's 35 per month, which is awesome, right? Next is you're going to have a friend. Do not buy your own product. You're going to connect everything. And then you're going to go here. You're going to go to integration. Make sure everything's integrated, right? So the status is turned on. You can see the orders are synced, the inventory synced, the tracking synced, the order sync, inventory tracking from Amazon to eBay. So that way, right when eBay gets an order, Amazon is notified, puts that tracking number in, puts it into eBay, and then everything is automated. You can even ask Amazon to send blank boxes. You just go into the settings, just look at all of your settings and you'll be good to go. To triple check that it works, what I recommend you do is to do a test buy. So have somebody purchase on eBay. Don't purchase your own item or you might get suspended. So have like a friend purchase it and then you'll double check to make sure it all works and it's all connected. Once it does work, you can go to your orders and you will see it says accepted and you're good to go. If there's any errors, you can just go to the help center. You can actually talk to support very quickly, usually same day, and they'll help you get it all set up and resolved. If you do need help with this and you're like, oh, I understand how it works, but I don't have the time to learn, you can just go to the link in the description. I created a full course on this, right? Because it's great for me to train my team and other people. So we have an Amazon to eBay course. It's just like this video, but it's step by step by step by step. And I take it a lot slower and actually show you me connecting my own account to this. Next is going to be TikTok. If you want to have Amazon to TikTok connection, I have that. Then I've got some other stuff here if you need extra help. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. Also, one of our most popular services is our Amazon account management. This is where we come in. We say, okay, let's look at, do you have eBay? Do you have Walmart? Are you expanding international on Amazon? We help you expand. We help you not only sell on Amazon, but other platforms, connect it for you, manage those accounts, and your Amazon account We have customer service, a full-on design team, advertising team, infringement team to remove those counterfeits. And of course, we're helping you increase the sales. The benefit of this service is you can spend time on your business while we're the ones expanding your business, doing the day-to-day operations, helping you make money, save time, and increase your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.